I've spoken a lot about mock analysis. I've spoken a little bit about how you should go ahead and analyze. I've spoken a little bit about what is the ideal time to spend to analyze a mock. Ab in dono ko if I combine na, you get the answer to a third question that students ask. That, sir, I am analyzing what is the mistake that I'm making because I'm unable to, chart out a territory of improvement. If you go back to my first video, if you go back to the video of analysis, you will realize that more often than not, what you're missing out on is you are not spending adequate amount of time on analyzing questions you got correct. Smarter method dhundo, easier method dhundo, shortcut dhundo. That's important. You are probably also not going ahead and giving yourself a pat on the back for leaving the questions which should have been left. A difficult question, a question not from your area of strength, and a level 3 question. This should be left. So you should go ahead and tell yourself, well done. You shouldn't start thinking, array, if this came in CAT and I could not attempt, how will I handle it? It's not an ego thing. You don't take it. Yes, you try solving it post the exam, but you also turn around and tell yourself, Gautam, very well done. I analyzed it correctly and realized this wasn't a question to attempt. So these two things you should surely keep in mind. Another aspect that you should keep in mind is, are you utilizing the drill down analysis which is available in your My Zone in the analysis section of the CDC Pro Career Launcher mock? If you are not, then you're missing out on something. Now imagine, I say I'm good at arithmetic. I feel I'm good at arithmetic. On an average, 7-8 questions come from there. I feel I attempt about 5-6 every single mock. Accuracy is also almost close to 100%. Great. ये होता है 2 mock में 3 mock में. Suddenly in a couple of mocks my percentile falls. From scoring a 95, 97 in quant, maybe a 99, I suddenly fall into an 85. Happens in 2 mocks, again it goes up, again it falls. When you start looking at this, why is it going up and down? You suddenly realize one trend if you look at drill down analysis. Those mocks in which say the questions from time and work were higher, or escalator questions came, or time speed distance ke some other variation came, you might have ended up scoring slightly lesser. If you look at the drill down analysis, the number of questions that came from a topic, the attempt from that topic, the accuracy from that topic, it will give you an indicator that which is that subtopic within these subsections that you need to focus on. And that will help you understand which topic tests to focus on, which videos to watch, and so on and so forth. So try keeping these 3 things in mind, and I'm sure it will help you in your mock analysis.